Good, Gromies? Welcome back to Wepop Garden. Today we are back over here in the Mars Hydro 4x4 with that iFresh 6-inch inline fan and the FC-6500 Evo. Pounding down on that Spicy Guava from Elev8 Seeds, y'all. Wanted to get back in here and let y'all see the progress. She is doing good. Buds are stacking up, getting pretty stout now. We are getting past that slump we were in. Let y'all get a close up here. Still got a little bit, but like I said, I think it's pre-existing just from the pH levels being off. They are not doing too bad. Turn the light down a smidgen bit. Power was pretty excessive on the tops here. Y'all can see she's got a little bit of issues there, but to combat that and the lack of watering, because I've been gone and missing time when I'm out at work, I went back to good old faithful here. So I went ahead and set up this 50-liter Mars Hydro auto watering system. I will link that setup and all that and back in the archives, but coming in clutch now. I just ran it through the side there. Had a lot of people also asking me about ventilation. I had my side vents open in these tents and the back there to get some airflow through. And my vent system here vents out into my attic, y'all. So I do have a full rotational system in here on my other tents as well, set up the same way. But today I just wanted to come in here, finally got that set up for the auto watering, and she's drank up all day. So I got more water over here getting situated, dechlorinating it and bubbling it out. But we are gonna be feeding this week, so we'll get that set up here coming soon. Want to make sure she's got plenty to get to the end here. But frost is starting to come in, y'all. Like I said in the beginning of this run, they don't make massive flowers on these, but I guess they're super pretty. Really good smoke. Nodal stack's pretty good, spacing wise. I'm impressed with that. She's a little leafy down in there, but I don't want to clear it out right now, cause a bunch of stress. It's the time the buds be stacking up. The leaves, like I said, they're feeling better, not as papery, and I think the decoloring here is pre-existing, but we caught it just in time. So she's gonna stack up, run up nice. I'm gonna check back in here in a couple days. We'll get the feed going and get things situated to finish her out, man. All right, Cannon fam, wanted to stop in here this morning. I'm getting ready to head out for work. Today is watering day for the Spicy Guava. So I got my 5-gallon pail here, and I pH'd it down after getting it bubbled. Just wanted to show y'all how simple this is to use. Literally just dump it on in there. I got this set up on a timer, which has allowed me to run it there. I set it up to where it runs for a minute at different designated times during the day. So it's on a switch. So once I get that set, I just come down here and there's my switch. Just click it on. And now I go about the day. She's gonna water while I'm gone, and I ain't even gotta think about it, fam. So super easy solution to not being home a lot. And obviously you can put 50 milliliters in there, so it's like 15-20 gallons roughly, somewhere between the 15-20 mark. But trying to make the grows easier, that way we're not missing out on anything. But just want to show you all this before I roll out to work. What's up, guys? Welcome back over here. We are on the Spicy Guava over here in the Mars Hydro 4x4. She is frosting up, fam. Stacking up good. We're getting there. We're filling in. So we got a little bit of time. This is a longer run. Typically, we're starting to get a little bit of amber now that we're headed into week 7 here. So had the water, or had the Mars Hydro running to it. The auto watering system here. And as y'all can see, we hit runoff. Last run was at 9, so she's definitely saturated. Happy-go-lucky down there in the soil. Bring y'all in here on these leaves. You can all see they it's been about a week. Sorry, fam. Everything that happened with big time kind of threw me off, so I'm a little delayed on things. Shout out to that man. Miss him, love him. Sad he's gone. Sad he's gone. Heartfelt. Much love to the family. Hope they're okay. Hope the kids are alright. Hope Mama Big Time's okay. But you will be missed, brother. You will be missed. Alright, so trying to move on here. We got with day 42, I'm gonna come in here and do a little bit of clipping. We're going into week 7 and clean some of these up so we got more room to mature. And also get more CO2 down here to the lower side. Hopefully some of these will fill in a little better. It's not doing too bad. The FC-6500 transitioned pretty well. I can't wait to get a full run under this, considering it's literally wall to wall. I'm stoked. So we are looking forward to that run. But I just wanted to get in here, let you guys see what was going on. And that's kind of a short-lived video. Sorry for y'all. Like I said, I know we've all been having a rough week here, but we're gonna keep pushing on. So we'll get back on track next week. I will get this depot recorded for y'all so you can see what I'm doing. But bugs are starting to get there, y'all. They're not as big as the Kong, but like I said, I wasn't expecting a huge turnout on this, considering Spicy Guava isn't a massive producer. It just makes really good flower from Elev8. So I'm excited to see how they turn out and get this color shifting. Like I said, we still got quite a ways to go, so they're definitely going to pack in a little bit more. But anyway, stay tuned, fam. We will keep getting it over here. And much love as always. Till next time. Peace.